In regards to generating passcodes on your smart lock, there are a couple of special features that you want to be familiar with. First is the dynamic code. So open your smart lock on your Quoya or Smart Life app, swipe to get dynamic codes. This works particularly well if you have the gateway, the Quoya gateway, which means you can create a dynamic code anywhere, even if you're away from home, if you're on holiday. If you want just a temporary access to your smart door, just click on dynamic code, and this code will now work, but just for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it will automatically be discarded and this code will no longer work. So this is a 5-minute code. However, this feature will not work unless you have the smart gateway. If without the smart gateway, you will not be able to create a dynamic code when you're away from home. Next is that you want to create these one-time use codes as well. So you go on to set, go to temporary pass, and here you've got a couple of options. You've got online codes, offline codes. Now, online codes means that this code will work as long as you've got the gateway connected to your smart lock. The offline code is a code that gets uploaded to the lock itself. So even though once you've done this, once you're at home, once you're close to the lock using Bluetooth, this will then create the code that gets stored inside the manual lock. And that code will work whether you've got internet access, whether you have the hub, or whether it is connected to your phone. So the offline codes are quite reliable. I will recommend using the offline codes instead. But obviously, if you are away from home and you have the gateway, then you can create an online code if you want to. You are at home. Your phone is now connected to your smart lock by Bluetooth. You can click on offline code, one-time code. You can click on the plus icon at the top and you can get a code. Now you do want to make sure that you copy this code. Once you click on done, you will no longer be able to see this code again. So make sure once you see this page, write down the code or copy it and then press done. Now the code is now stored. However, you will not be able to view that code again.